Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported laptops using RUFUS to skip Windows 11 requirements. So, let's start. Open your browser and search for RUFUS. Go to RUFUS website. Download the application. Open it. Yes. Now connect the flash memory. It will detect it. Select the ISO file. Now choose the partition scheme. Depending on your laptop. If it use old BIOS, select MBR. And if it uses UEFI, select GPT. In volume label, give it a name. Start. Make sure to select Remove Requirements for RAM, Secure Boot and TPM. You can also remove requirements for online account. Also you can create a local account and give it a username. Click OK. It will confirm that your flash memory will be formatted. Click OK. And it will start. Close it. And now you can use this flash memory to install Windows 11 on unsupported laptops. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.